Hello everyone, my name is Ariella, and in today's video, I wanted to give you guys a few tips and tricks about how to make money online. Now, just not that long ago, I didn't know anything about the internet business. In fact, still to this day, I am not a technical person. So how is it possible that someone as a newbie can make $600,000 in less than 7 months? Well, I know a lot of people right now might be saying, no way, that's impossible. But I'm here today to show you proof. Yeah, because I'm very, very transparent and I don't want anyone thinking that I'm a liar. So I will show you a few numbers, which a lot of people will not do. But as you can see right here, let me dim this for you guys. I made $5,155 just yesterday, since it is now midnight. But more importantly, my net volume is $147,000 for the month of January 1st to January 29th. As you can see right here, this is my net, and this is real money, and I cannot make that up. This is not Photoshop. This is not a scam. This is all real stuff. So how is this possible? How did a newbie like me do this? Well, number one, it's having a good mentor. And that's exactly what I had. A great mentor by the name of Wesley, $1 Million Virgin.
Let's go!
He's right here right now.
Money, baby.
We are here in Vegas, and we're working. We're not partying. We're not out. We are in a penthouse, though, because we do love to work in excellence. But we're here also with my mentee, Herman Cheplex, who I am teaching how to do his real estate course online, because I'm all about teaching people and giving back. I really, really want to help everyone make money and succeed in life, because if I did it, then anyone could do it. So why not? Now, let me give you 3 tips and tricks on what to do. Step 1 would be promoting a good offer on ClickBank. Now, how do you know what a good offer is? So when you sign into www.clickbank.com, you will see a bunch of different offers, over 4,000, I believe. And of course, all of them, typically, most of them aren't making any money. But you get the first people, the first 20, 30 people that, if you promote their offer, you will make some money. But how do you know which is the winner? How do you know which one that you must promote? Well, it's very, very simple. And I didn't know this before. There's something called gravity when you sign into ClickBank, and you'll see gravity at the bottom, and you'll see this number. Typically anything over, what was it, Wes, 200?
What?
Gravity, that's great.
Yeah, that's perfect. Actually, you only need 40, and then after 40, you have a great product.
So actually,
insane.
Oh wow, so 200's insane. And right now, Overnight Millionaire is at
about 290. I mean, we bring in about
40 God.
30 to 40,000 a day.
$30,000 to $40,000 a day, and we're at 290 gravity. So this is the best program there is, which means our people, our affiliates promoting this are making tons of money. And like you heard from the boss's mouth, we're doing about $30,000 to $40,000 a day. And he is a CEO. As you know, I am with the CEO. I'm with Virgin Media. So I can tell you really knowledgeable things about our offer to help you make money on the internet. But I will go into all of that in my free training that I'm offering right here. So you could decide to click learn more and jump in that program with me and learn a bunch of things that will blow your mind and things that you've never known before that will save you years of hassle, struggle, and money wasted. But before I get into the real secrets, I want to give you 3 secrets right now that would really, make the difference for you and make you the next online superstar. So step 1 would be obviously ClickBank, what we just discussed. Making sure you find the right offer with great gravity. I suggested Overnight Millionaire. It's exactly what I'm promoting, and it's what you should promote too. And in my course, I will teach you that. Step 2 would be going to GoDaddy.com and finding a good domain name. Without a good domain name, you're never going to get anywhere. Why is it important? Well, because without a good domain name, Facebook will flag you. What is a good domain name? Well, I mean not making any claims such as get rich now, get rich quick, money is, moneyeasily.net, or whatever it may be that's making a claim. If you are promoting a weight loss product, get skinny immediately, you know, dissolve fat now. Anything that's making a claim, steer away from it. Facebook will shut you down before you even get to spend $10. In fact, you'll waste $10, then Facebook will say your ad account is disabled, you know, try again. And people spend months not knowing why their compliant ads are getting shut down when it all comes down to their domain name. So that is the first step in being profitable and keeping your ad alive by not using a domain name that's making a claim. So if I was promoting Overnight Millionaire, I would use a domain name such as mindhacks.com, idesiremore.com, manifestyourdestiny.com. You see what I'm doing here? I'm giving you a name that's gonna, tell you what this program is about, but I'm not telling you that you're gonna be making millions of dollars because Facebook, of course, does not like that. Now, the third tip would be, well, Ariella, I don't know how to make a website. I don't know how to, do anything technical, and I don't have thousands and thousands of dollars to spend. Well, again, I'll get more in depth in that in my free training. But for right now, there is a website called Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com. And on this website, you can find almost anything from anywhere from $5 to $200, even higher tickets. But if you're on a budget, this is the best place to get started. I have created logos, I've got designs, I've gotten websites, I've gotten help with my courses when I didn't have money, all on Fiverr.com. And it's like half the price, and these people are very smart, and it's actually very hidden. A lot of people do not know this website exists. But because I am a nice person and I genuinely care about your success, I am going to give you this for free. I don't care, if you steal anyone, or my people that work on Fiverr are taking forever to answer me now because this video is so public, and tons of people now will be going to Fiverr.com. I really don't care about that. I care about your success and helping you win. So let's recap. The 3 steps: finding a good ClickBank offer to promote with great gravity. Step 2, finding a good domain name. And step 3, helping you with your website or whatever online work you may need to launch that first ad, Fiverr.com, for a cheap price. Now, I'm going to say one more thing before I close out. Video ads. You do not want a regular static image. You want video ads. Why? Because it's more fun. You're interacting with the person, you're engaging, and the person is bound to click on your link. You see how you're watching me live right now on this video? Well, it's because you wouldn't be here for 7 minutes if I wasn't live and doing this. You're here right now because I'm engaging with you, I'm looking at you, and I am talking directly to you. So it's super important.
How about we give them the video ad that I'm using right now? I'm spending $5,000 a day, and we're making about $20,000. How about we give them that video once they choose to learn more, which I know a lot of them will right now. How about we do that? Just give them the video if they click that learn more button and jump into your training.
For free?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. This is a game changer, you guys. Wesley has never done this, but he is allowing me right now to give you the exact video that we use for Overnight Millionaire, which is the program with over 200 gravity, which is insane. We're doing thousands, $30,000 to $40,000 a day on Facebook. And right now he is allowing you to give you the video. Let's have a moment of silence. Thank you, Wesley Virgin. This is such a big deal. So right now, jump in. You literally have no excuses. If you want to change your reality, then you're going to have to do something different. You can't be living the same habits day in and day out and expecting a different result. That is actually the definition of insanity. So please jump in right now for your own benefit. It is a free training, and we're even giving you the free video. Click that link below. Join me right now, and I'll see you there. Let's go.